26 tháng 4 2022. May, what do you want to do?
I want to test the sticker.
Good, I want to get the sticker. What sticker is that?
Is done. Tail up, down, helicopter.
Good, it's the tail of the helicopter. Where's the helicopter?
It's here.
It is here. Here is just the tail. Where's the helicopter? The helicopter is on.
Page number 1 is a C.
Good. It is on page number 1. Good. Can the helicopter fly?
Yes.
Yes, it.
This is 10.
Good. Where does the helicopter fly?
In the sun. Very high.
Good. In the sky. Is the sky high or low?
It's very high.
It is very high.
Yes, it's not low.
Yes, it is not low. It is very high.
This is the bed.
Okay. This is the train. Do you like this book?
Yes.
Yes, I.
Do.
Good. Yes, I do. Why? Why do you like this book?
Because I read.
Good, because I like to read. Is this book beautiful?
Yes.